Jericho, super proud kay Janine at inuurot ng mga fanay na pakasalan na ang dalaga. Proud na ibinahagi ni Jericho Rosales ang sexy pictorial ng kanyang nobyang si Janine Gutierrez para sa isang pamosong magazine. Hirit ng aktor, sobrang maswerte raw siya sa pagkakaroon ng jowang tinaguriang sexiest woman alive. Caption niya, "And I am the luckiest boy alive. Congrats, Baba." Umani naman ang samot-saring reaksyon sa mga netizens ang kanyang post. Katunayan, may nang-uurot na pakasalan na niya si Janine. Ito ang ilan sa mga komento. Pakasalan mo, Eko. Baka mag-change of mind din si Janine Gutierrez pag binabagalan mo pa. Huwag mo nang antayin, mga 50 years old ka pa. Ang swerte naman na proud ang boyfriend ni Janine sa kanya. Talagang ipinagmamalaki siya. That's so sweet for a man to show support to his partner. Super lucky, a very intentional man. Perfect siya kaya sure, swerte ka. Wow, supportive boyfriend. Baba Eko. Samantala, nagpasalamat naman si Janine sa nobyo. Babu, I love you. Thank you. At Janine Gutierrez both lucky to have each other. At Janine Gutierrez, how sweet, lovely couple in real life. So happy for both of you. At Janine Gutierrez, good vibes. Love, love, love. I love you so much. Wow, so proud naman ang Baba Eko ni Baba Nini. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng Baba? Mahal. Aw, sweet. And I am the luckiest manager alive. At Jericho Rosales at Janine Gutierrez. At Pink Benz, and we are the happiest shippers. At Pink Bess and Econin, shippers respect, love, and trust. Love you, being their manager. Cute nyo, kainis. Yan ang lalaki, pinagmamalaki ang girlfriend. This made my day. Thank you so much, Econin. Even though I'm not feeling well, always feel happy for Econin, my stress reliever. At Jericho Rosales official at Janine Gutierrez, plus the beautiful Pinky Benz, their manager. So hot. Grabe, ang sweet naman. Wow, sobrang idealistic ng couple na ito. So cool. God bless this couple, Lord, at Janine Gutierrez and at Jericho Rosales official, and of course, with their fam and manager at Pink Benz. The most genuine and authentic celebrity couple ever. Super duper. Luckiest. Indeed, Eko. Kilig naman. Another addition to my growing Econin party list. Well, masasabi ngang isa si Jericho sa pinakaswerte at may nobyong sobrang ganda, sobrang sexy at sobrang bait na Janine Gutierrez. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.